This ATOTO S8 Ultra stereo made my old car feel like a Tesla, no joke. Ever felt like your daily drive was stuck in 2009? Fumbling with outdated head units, tangled cables, and tech that freezes right when you need it? We've all been there, slapping the dash, muttering under our breath, praying Bluetooth actually connects this time. The wasted time, the lost focus, the pure frustration, it's exhausting. Music sounds flat, maps lag behind your turns, and your smart system feels anything but. If you're tired of tech holding you hostage in traffic, buckle up. There's finally a way out, and it's ridiculously satisfying. The truth? That outdated setup isn't just annoying. It's a silent productivity killer. Missed exits, dropped calls, crushing deadlines slipping away while you wrestle with clunky menus. Stress creeps in, burnout follows, and soon every commute feels like a slow grind toward insanity. You're losing more than time. You're losing peace of mind. Those endless loading screens and glitchy connections, they're costing you opportunities you don't even see passing by. It's not just a stereo problem. It's your whole driving experience under siege, and you don't have to take it anymore. Meet the ATOTO S8 Ultra Double Din Car Stereo, the one upgrade that flips your driving experience from meh to mind-blown in seconds. This 7-inch HD touchscreen beast delivers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual Bluetooth with aptX HD. Yes, 24-bit audio over Bluetooth, and a built-in 4G modem, so you're never tethered to your phone's hotspot again. With 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, it runs smoother than most laptops. Add DSP and 10-band EQ for audiophile-grade sound, wireless mirroring, gesture controls, live rear view, panoramic surround view, and firmware updates that keep it future-proof. This isn't just a stereo, it's a command center for your car. Imagine every drive feeling seamless. Music crisp enough to make your spine tingle, maps loading instantly, calls connecting without a single hello. Can you hear me now? That's the ATOTO S8 Ultra effect. Reviewers call it a Tesla-level upgrade without the Tesla price, and thousands of drivers swear they'll never go back. You get pro-level audio tuning, buttery smooth multitasking, and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto that actually works every single time. Even in blinding sunlight, the QLED screen stays sharp. Rideshare drivers love the dual Bluetooth for separating work and personal calls, while audiophiles drool over high-res FLAC playback. Oh, and the gesture controls? Jedi-level cool. Still skeptical? Tap play and see why tech installers recommend this over brands twice the price. Your car deserves this glow-up. Act now, because the ATOTO S8 Ultra isn't sitting on shelves forever. Limited stock is moving fast, and once it's gone, you'll be back to wrestling with that cranky old system. Join thousands who've already leveled up their rides and wonder how they ever survived without it. This is your shot at crystal clear sound, flawless connectivity, and a driving experience you'll actually look forward to. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Smash that buy button, secure yours today, and turn every trip into a 5-star ride.